Just got back to the house. Picked up a zero turn. Well, folks, you can see the zero turn sitting over there next to that 310, but it's not looking too hot out here. So I was over here just messing around with the little mower, trying it out a little bit. I ain't never used a zero turn, so I was just trying it out. And I come up on some sticks, and one got up into the drive belt system and chowdered up the fan and popped the belt off. And I just came back and grabbed my phone, and I already got some pry bars over here. And it just so happens that I'm parked on top of an anthill, you know, just typical. But it was cutting. That's a cutting son of a gun, let me tell you. Let me flip this around for you. Yeah, so I've already done pulled the sticks out. But here's some fan blades up here. And it snapped that fan completely off. Chowdered up this thing. But I got it on all the pulleys except for that one. I've been messing with it. So I just came to give you guys a little update. I guess you should probably clean up the yard a little bit before you mow. I didn't see it. Let me find it. I threw it over here. But yeah, all it takes is one stick. This was it right here. You can see. It got right up in there in that pulley. But that's all it takes. Well, I guess I should probably get rid of those so I don't do that again. I'll throw them over here. But might have to borrow the old 310 and pick this thing up and put it back in the garage. All right, so Justin just showed up. I probably couldn't have got that belt on. I just needed one extra hand. That's all it took, but we'll see. Oh, baby. Put her back in the garage. Now I get those parts. So I got it put back together. Drove it over here. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little cleaning on it. I got the golf cart sitting here. I got the GoPro on the golf cart. Right there. And I'm gonna blow it off, give it a quick wash. So when I go ahead and replace that fan, I ordered both fans. I got 2 new ones coming. I'll have a backup just in case. Ordered a filter for both of the hydrostats on it, all the oil. I'm gonna do a full service on it, new blades, belts, and she'll be ready for the spring. So we'll get her cleaned up. Got this thing all sprayed down with some degreaser, blew all that muck off of there. Gonna go ahead and jump in here, hit the old pressure washer out now, and let them have it, clean it up, and then, like I said, I've already ordered everything to do a full service on it, and then tires. She'll be a new machine. I got the seat ripped off right here, old mower, and I noticed here yesterday with the parking brake, battery's all dirty because I just was cleaning off all the dust. I guess I didn't wash this last night, but yeah, it's just all dust, so I gotta blow it all back out. But right here is parking brake, and it's like missing. It should have a washer or some sort of keeper to at least keep this cable on there, because when it's relaxed, you can pull the cable off. So I went ahead and searched through my toolbox, and I found a large area washer over there. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this step bit right here. And I'm gonna step it up until it fits that shaft, and then I have some cotter keys over there, and I'll put the washer on there, cotter key it, and that'll be taken care of. And I'm just waiting on the rest of my parts to show up for this thing. Here's that washer I stepped up right here. Put a cotter key on it, keep this brake cable from coming off. Ain't going nowhere now. So, that was a quick fix, and wrong way. Turned out very nice. So there it is, seat installed. Got them armrests on it. Looks good. It's comfy too. I crawled up on it. Ain't too bad. A lot better than this. Nice. So now that we got the zero turn in here with the new seat on it, ordered up some new stuff. One being a new filter. I have the old filter, I just sprayed it with a pressure washer one time, so ordered a new, I actually just got a whole service kit in. And for the price, I went to the store to get some oil, and I got the oil right here. I think I paid like 30 bucks. New filter, fuel filter, 2 new plugs, and a air filter. It was a no-brainer. I just bought it for 30 bucks. Let's go ahead and start with the easy one real quick. We'll throw this air filter on it. Now I do got some blades coming, so I can go ahead and get some new blades on it and sharpen the other blades. And I just need to pull the belts off because there's 2 models that have like similar belts, and I need to make sure I get the right belts because I don't want to get the wrong one. So we'll go ahead and snake this bad Jackson in there, just like that. This little Trek hose clamp right here, I've never had good luck with these, with a little turn on them like this, but I guess since you ain't really trying to reef down like a radiator hose, that something that's prone to overheating, like stuff I'm accustomed to. So that was my high school days. But someone commented, make sure you lube these on my last video, lube up the throttles and everything. I did that after I washed it. I just didn't film it, but got everything nice and lubed up. New filter on there. One thing done. Not much left. They really hooked it up with these hinges here. You can't argue with that. So, you know, I'm a firm believer of if you take care of your stuff, it'll take care of you. So, I didn't buy this lawnmower new. Traded for it. Put some plugs in it, new filter, throw some fresh oil in it. The oil ain't too bad in here, but we'll throw some fresh oil in it. And come on over here real quick. Right there, I got a service kit for the Hydrostat driving system on this thing. I got both filters for each gear leg, oil for everything, and we'll go ahead and get that done too. Ain't gonna happen tonight, but I'll probably knock it out tomorrow. I think it's about time to hit up the old Snap-on guy and get this ratchet rebuilt. Don't work too hot. Well, they had them E3s in there. Hot dog. Not bad. NGKs, let's get them ran back in. And that's torqued. Put your boots back on. There's that old filter. There's that new filter. Go ahead and slap it together. Want to trade me? Thank you. Oh boy, they didn't mess around putting this thing together. Woo! Oh yeah, that thing's tight. Making a daggone mess, can dry out my hands. Should have put some gloves on. There we go. Oh, hang on. Yeah, I can live right there, I guess. Oh, it's making a mess. We're experiencing technical difficulties. Now that that's covered up and squared away, pop that back on there and we'll hook it up. I need to clean up my garage because I can't find any of my pliers. Can't find my wire cutters, so now I'm using a pair of vice grips for pliers, and still haven't been able to find them. What do you call it? Wire cutters. But no big deal, we'll find them. They're in here somewhere. I need to wash this thing again. Got fuel all over everything and just attract all that dust. Y'all probably know how that cut and dry grass is. It get all over anything you got that's sticky. Oil, fuel, that'll make a mess too. So I got that new fuel filter on, just backed it up, got rid of that couch, and now I'm gonna move the golf cart so I can park the Jeep. But should come right to life, let me tell you. A little choke, a little chilly out. So I've gone ahead and popped the filter off this Hydrostat. It's still draining a little bit. I got the new filter right here ready to go on. I'm gonna let that finish draining, and then I'm gonna go ahead and service it back up after I put the filter on, and then repeat the process on the other side, and then purge the air out of the Hydrostat system. And then I'm still waiting on that fan. So once I get that fan, I'll be able to mow some grass. I already got one fan blade in here. That's the one that was broke. So that one's replaced. I'll pull this old one out here, throw a new one in it, and then I'll have a spare for that one right there. Super excited about this. Got the new fans in. Here's that old one off the left-hand side. Got me a spare. And my mower that I traded some parts for has turned out to cost me a couple $100. So, but I got the new tires up front, new seat. Hand got stuck. The new seat, she's comfy. There are the new wheels all put on, greased up. See, I purged out that grease, broke that Zerk fitting, so I gotta run a tractor supply and get another one. But got the old mower on them lift stands right there. Snatched the old blades off. Got these new blades, nice edge on them. There's the old blades. Camera won't focus on it, but their edges are rounded over. I'll go ahead and get them with the old angle grinder and bring an edge back onto them. Keep me some spares. 3 new blades. Grease the spindles. 3 old blades just ready to be sharpened. She's all done and ready to mow some grass for the spring and summer, hopefully. As long as I don't tear it up again. It would appear that the mama is enjoying the new couch. We got little blankets on it just so the dogs don't scratch up. Look at her little Grinch feet. Look at them. Your mama's. She's like, why are you calling me if you don't have treats? You know it is nap time.